Tonight, we are exploring one of Singapore's more unusual and lesser-known night walking locations, Opal Crescent. Located near the Potong Pasir area, this quiet stretch of road has slowly become known online for its concentration of massage shops, wellness centers, and late-night activity. During the daytime, the neighborhood feels calm and residential. Cars pass by quietly. Residents walk home from nearby food stalls. The atmosphere feels completely ordinary, but once night arrives, the entire street transforms. One by one, illuminated signs begin turning on. Warm lighting appears behind tinted glass doors. Neon reflections start glowing along the pavement. And suddenly, this peaceful neighborhood road begins to feel completely different. Tonight, we'll be walking through the area to experience the atmosphere firsthand and take a closer look at some massage and wellness shops that line this unique Singapore street. As we begin the walk, one thing immediately stands out. Compared to polished luxury areas of downtown Singapore, Opal Crescent feels much more local and unfiltered. There are no giant skyscrapers here, no luxury boutiques, no massive tourist crowds. Instead, what you see is a slice of late-night Singapore neighborhood life. And that's exactly what makes places like this interesting to explore. The first thing many visitors notice is the sheer number of massage shops concentrated within such a small area. Some storefronts look modern and professionally renovated. Others have a much older style, almost like stepping back into Singapore from years ago. That contrast creates a unique visual atmosphere, especially at night. One of the better-known names around the street is Soul Massage. This shop has developed a recognizable presence in the area and is often mentioned in online discussions surrounding Opal Crescent nightlife and wellness businesses. From the outside, the storefront uses warm lighting and large illuminated signs that stand out clearly during the evening hours. As people walk by, it naturally draws attention because of its brighter appearance compared to some neighboring units. Further along the street, you'll also find number 8 Spa. Compared to some of the brighter storefronts nearby, this location has a quieter exterior design. The atmosphere feels more understated and neighborhood focused. At night, the soft interior lighting creates a calm visual contrast against the darker surroundings outside. Walking through areas like this gives you a different perspective on Singapore nightlife. Most international visitors imagine rooftop bars, Marina Bay, or luxury entertainment districts. But many locals know that Singapore's real character can often be found in smaller side streets like these. The city changes dramatically after midnight. The pace slows down, the atmosphere becomes softer, and ordinary roads begin developing their own unique personality. As we continue deeper into Opal Crescent, you'll notice that almost every few units there is another wellness-related business. Foot reflexology centers, traditional massage outlets, TCM-inspired wellness shops, small beauty spas, and neighborhood relaxation centers. Another place that people sometimes notice while walking around this area is For You Spa. Like many businesses here, the storefront relies heavily on bright nighttime signage to stand out. The colorful lights reflecting onto the road help create the almost cinematic atmosphere that makes night walking videos so visually appealing. One interesting detail about Singapore is how different neighborhoods naturally develop different identities over time. Some areas become known for food, others for nightlife, others for shopping, and streets like Opal Crescent gradually became associated with wellness and massage businesses. That reputation eventually spread online through social media, YouTube walking videos, and local discussions. Today, many people visit simply out of curiosity. As we continue the walk, pay attention to the overall soundscape surrounding the area. Air conditioning compressors humming in the background, occasional traffic moving slowly through the narrow road, quiet conversations near storefront entrances, and the soft electronic music that sometimes drifts out from certain shops. All these small details combine together to create the immersive nighttime atmosphere viewers enjoy in urban exploration videos. Further down the street, another name sometimes associated with the area is New Wellness. compared to the brighter neon-style storefronts nearby. This location has a cleaner and more wellness-focused appearance. This variety is part of what makes Opal Crescent visually interesting. Every storefront has its own personality. Some appear luxurious, some appear mysterious. Others simply look like ordinary neighborhood businesses operating quietly late into the night. For people watching overseas, this side of Singapore may feel surprising. International media usually focuses on Singapore's futuristic skyline and luxury image. But neighborhoods like this reveal a more grounded version of city life. A side of Singapore filled with older architecture, small businesses, and quiet urban streets illuminated under neon lights. And honestly, that contrast is what makes Singapore fascinating to explore. Within a short drive, you can move from some of the world's most modern buildings into streets that feel completely different in atmosphere and pace. As we continue walking, you may notice people occasionally entering and leaving different massage shops along the road. Most of the activity remains calm and low-key. Unlike louder nightlife districts, the energy here feels quieter and more controlled. That calmness is something unique about Singapore. Even during late-night hours, many areas still feel organized and relatively peaceful. Further along nearby streets, you may also come across smaller wellness businesses tucked into corners or side lanes. Some use bright LED signs. Others rely on minimal lighting and subtle storefront designs. This mix of presentation styles give the entire neighborhood an unusual visual texture at night. From a filming perspective, the reflections from neon lights on parked cars and wet pavement can make even ordinary walking scenes feel cinematic. This is why many YouTube creators enjoy filming night walks in Singapore. The lighting naturally creates atmosphere without requiring heavy editing. At this point in the walk, the area feels almost like two different worlds existing together. On one side, you have quiet residential housing nearby. On the other side, you have clusters of brightly lit wellness shops operating into late evening. That balance between calmness and activity gives Opal Crescent its distinctive identity. As we approach the final section of the street begins becoming quieter again. Fewer pedestrians, less traffic, dimmer lighting, but the atmosphere remains interesting because every shop front still contributes something visually different to the environment. Some viewers may see this area as mysterious. Others may simply see ordinary local businesses serving neighborhood customers. Either way, places like Opal Crescent have become part of Singapore's modern urban culture. And for content creators, they provide a unique opportunity to document parts of the city that many tourists never experience. The hidden streets, the local night atmosphere, the quieter side of urban Singapore. Not the postcard version, but the everyday version. And sometimes, those are the most interesting places to explore. Thank you for joining tonight's walking tour of Opal Crescent, Singapore. If you enjoy hidden neighborhood explorations like discovering lesser-known sides of Singapore, stay tuned for more future walking videos around the city. Until next time,